Yo, welcome to the show, everybody. It's me, Ben, and welcome back to a brand new video. Today, my friends, is the day. Changsub has just dropped his full album entitled 1991, and I'm really excited to hop into it. Now seeing that 33, the music video, is almost 9 minutes long, and now knowing that the album is like 42 minutes long, between YouTube and then, in a moment, Patreon, y'all are getting an hour's worth of Changsub content from me today. So I don't want to hear no complaints. Welcome in. I've been looking forward to this. Y'all had let me know that this was dropping a little while ago, and so I've had it on my radar, but we're reacting to the title track 33 here right now on YouTube, and then in just a moment I'll be over on Patreon checking out every single song on the rest of the album. So be sure to come through, tune in. If you haven't joined us on Patreon already, if you're joining up today to be able to view this album reaction from Changsub, you get access to every other B2B related album reaction I've ever done as well. I think the most recent one that we did, what was the most recent one that we did? Regardless, the point is we've done soloist albums, not all of them. We've done some soloist albums from the guys, and we've also done group albums from the guys. Once again, I haven't reacted to everything that B2B have done, but there's quite a bit of content over on the Patreon if you're interested. So come through, tap in. Today's a great day to do it. And if you're a multi, there's even more content. Because at that tier, if you're signing up to view today's album reaction, you're opening up access to like 95% of the rest of my Patreon as well. So come through and hang out with us. But Changsub 33, if y'all enjoy the reaction, leave a like. Let's go. I would imagine there's gonna be some plot. Like surely the song itself isn't 8:42. There's no way. Hello. I don't know if I'd say break a leg before like skateboarding or scootering, you know what I mean? Like I'd say that before somebody's going to get on stage. I don't know, it's all good though. It's the sentiment. Changsub, what do we got going, bro? I wonder if we'll see him in the video or not. We might not. It feels already a little nostalgic to me, you know? Vocals. It's pretty. Oh. He was making fun of her, to be fair, so. Ooh. Okay, so we fast forward in time. Yeah, I was gonna say, it's hard to skate when you've got an arm up, you know? Chorus is really pretty, Changsub. Oh, what a post chorus? Damn. Modern day. Can I annoy you again, please? Very briefly. These instrumentals are so sweeping and grand, you know? She decided she needed to eat it, for crying out loud. He's got his double vocal going there. He's harmonizing with himself. Yeah. It very much feels like a K-drama montage, like packed into one music video, you know? Man, straight into the trash, bro. And I'm done. I wish we had captions for the text too. I wish we did. 2024, man. He's working. He's working. Woo! Oh, I love that. Surely at some point they end up getting together then, right? Give me some plot points here. Come on now, I'm involved. Just a bunch of them not being together here, bro. Sing that shit, CHANGSUB. Come on, bro. Y'all put your lighters up. God, song is absolutely gorgeous. But what do we got going on here? I'm waiting for them to get together here. Surely, right? The acting is good enough here that it got to the point where I was struggling to like pay attention fully to the song because I was so involved in the story. I can't tell if bro needs to take a hint or if she needs to chill out. I don't know what's going on at this point. I don't know what's going on. Okay. 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 I'm not sure he's gonna know what to do here. Oh, with the rain too, bro. Oh no. Poor thing, man. That feeling of being like overwhelmed and shit, I can't stand that feeling. I hate it so much. She's having a rough time, man. She's having a tough time.
신입사원 한성민이라고 합니다.
신입사원 김소연입니다.
잘 부탁드립니다.
Did they just repeat back her name incorrectly? Is that what just happened? Ugh. Ugh. Today, it felt like I did nothing. Even though I was trying really hard, it felt like I did nothing today. Yep. Yep. Is this one of the other songs on the album then?
야, 너도 밟아봐.
싫어. 내 신발이야. 그리고 이거 메이커야.
난 이런 게 이렇게 좋더라. 변태인가?
She's remembering back to that day. Oh, oh, that's really cute. She's remembering back when she was in a much better state of mind, right? And now he's not as much. That's cute, bro. Oh.
정신 차려.
Isn't that exactly what she said to him? That's so sweet, bro. I love that so much. I love that. That's adorable, bro. Yeah, this must be one of the other songs on the album then. Pretty. Oh, that went by pretty quick. For a 9-minute video, that went by pretty quick. Yeah, I wonder which one the other song is that's in the... Is it Old Town? Is Old Town the one? That's got... Old Town is hashtagged in the comments. I mean, I'm still gonna go listen to Old Town all the way through for the first time because they only played a clip of it here, but okay, yeah, every single comment is in Korean. I don't see a single English comment, so we're not gonna read the comments today. But Changsub, we've got some gorgeous vocals going on, man. And at the end of the day, when I sit down and I listen to this man's, that's what I'm expecting. I'm expecting some fun times, and I'm expecting some incredible vocals. And we got both of those today. For a little bit, I was sitting there like, man, what is the plot of this gonna be? Are we gonna be able to sort of like reconvene in a way, right? And ultimately, yes. The answer is yes. But the real lesson here is not, you know, one thing or another. The real lesson here is just, even on days that you're stressed out, kind of going crazy a little bit in the head, do your best to take a step back. Because life can feel really serious sometimes, and oftentimes it very much is. But we, oftentimes, can control what we can control, and it's sometimes all it takes is a little dance in the rain, you know? Sometimes that's all it takes. And I love that. Anyway, that's it for me. Like I said, y'all, I'll be over on Patreon literally right now. Click the link in the pinned comment down below, and we will be reacting to the rest of the album, 1991. The album review listening party lives on over on Patreon, so come through, hang out with us. And if not, I'll catch y'all in the future for some more B2B related stuff. Y'all know I love my boys. And I'll catch y'all in the next one, okay? Until next time, love y'all very much, and peace. Goodbye.